What if the plants sitting quietly inside your home could do more than make your rooms look beautiful? Some houseplants can help improve indoor air quality by absorbing certain airborne compounds and contributing oxygen and moisture to your indoor environment. And the best part? You don't need a huge garden or expensive equipment. In this video, we're revealing 10 beautiful houseplants that can naturally help freshen your indoor space. From bedrooms and living rooms to offices and small apartments, these plants can add a refreshing touch while creating a greener atmosphere. Stay until the end, because number 10 is one of the most interesting choices for people who want an unusual, air-friendly houseplant. If you love discovering plants that make your home healthier, greener, and more beautiful, make sure you watch all 10. Let's begin with number 1. Number 1. The Areca Palm is one of the best choices when you want a tropical-looking plant that can transform an ordinary room into a lush indoor oasis. Its long, feather-like fronds create a beautiful visual effect, while the plant participates in normal indoor gas exchange and releases moisture through transpiration. That added humidity can make dry indoor spaces feel more comfortable, especially during periods when air conditioning is running constantly. Place your Areca Palm somewhere with bright, indirect light and give it enough room for its leaves to spread naturally. Keep the soil lightly moist, but avoid leaving the roots sitting in water. Because this palm can become fairly large, it works especially well in living rooms, entryways, or spacious offices. Its elegant appearance also makes it excellent for creating a relaxing tropical atmosphere. If you want a statement plant that combines beauty, greenery, and useful indoor characteristics, the Areca Palm deserves a place near the top of your list. Number 2. Boston, Fern. If you want a plant with an incredibly lush appearance, the Boston Fern is hard to ignore. Its hundreds of delicate leaflets create a dense green canopy that instantly makes a room feel more natural. Boston ferns are also known for releasing moisture through transpiration, which can contribute to a more humid indoor environment. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil, so this plant is best for someone willing to provide regular care. Avoid placing it directly beside strong heating or air conditioning vents, because rapidly changing temperatures can cause the fronds to dry out. A bathroom with natural light, a bright living room corner, or a humid indoor space can be ideal. The Boston Fern also works beautifully in hanging baskets, allowing its long fronds to cascade downward. If your goal is to combine a jungle-like appearance with a plant that naturally interacts with the surrounding indoor atmosphere, this classic fern is a fantastic choice. Number 3. The bamboo palm brings a soft tropical feeling into your home without requiring the enormous space of some larger palms. Its slender stems and elegant green leaves make it particularly attractive for living rooms, bedrooms, and offices. Like other leafy houseplants, it naturally exchanges gases with the surrounding environment and releases water vapor through transpiration. This can contribute to a fresher-feeling indoor atmosphere. Bamboo palms generally prefer bright, indirect light, although they can tolerate somewhat lower light conditions. Water when the upper layer of soil begins to dry, but avoid constantly saturated soil. One major advantage is its graceful vertical growth, which allows it to fill an empty corner without taking up too much floor space horizontally. For a beautiful indoor display, place it inside a decorative planter and give it enough room to grow. If you want a tropical plant that looks sophisticated rather than wild, the bamboo palm is an excellent addition to your indoor plant collection. Number 4. The rubber plant is a dramatic houseplant with thick, glossy leaves that can become a stunning focal point in almost any room. Its broad foliage gives it a strong visual presence, while normal photosynthesis and gas exchange allow it to interact naturally with the indoor atmosphere. Rubber plants are especially appealing because they can develop into impressive indoor trees when given proper care. Place yours near bright, filtered or indirect light, and rotate the pot occasionally so the plant grows evenly. Allow the upper portion of the soil to dry slightly between waterings, rather than keeping it constantly wet. Wipe the large leaves periodically to remove dust and help them stay attractive. This plant is especially useful for people who want their greenery to look elegant and architectural. A mature rubber plant can make a living room corner feel like a miniature indoor forest. If you want a plant that looks expensive while remaining relatively straightforward to maintain, this glossy-leaved beauty is worth considering. Number 5. English ivy is a fascinating choice because its trailing vines can completely change the appearance of an indoor space. Instead of growing upward like a traditional houseplant, its stems can cascade from hanging baskets or climb a suitable support. Its dense green foliage adds plenty of visual texture, while the plant naturally participates in photosynthesis and gas exchange. English ivy prefers bright, indirect light and should be watered when the surface of the growing medium begins to dry. Good air circulation is important, especially because overly damp conditions can encourage problems with the plant. Keep it trimmed regularly if you want a compact appearance, or allow the vines to trail dramatically from a shelf. This plant can create a beautiful woodland feeling inside your home. However, if you have pets or young children, check its safety before bringing it indoors, because English ivy can be harmful if eaten. With the right conditions, it can become one of the most eye-catching trailing plants in your collection. Number 6. Dracaena is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants an attractive indoor plant with a tall, modern appearance. There are many Dracaena varieties featuring different leaf shapes, colors, and growth patterns, so you can easily find one that matches your room. Its long leaves perform photosynthesis and naturally exchange gases with the surrounding environment. Dracaena generally prefers bright, indirect light, but many varieties can tolerate moderate indoor lighting. Allow the soil to dry somewhat between waterings and make sure the container has good drainage. One of its biggest advantages is its architectural shape. A tall Dracaena can fill an empty corner while requiring relatively little floor space. It looks particularly impressive beside furniture, near an office desk, or next to a bright window where harsh direct sunlight is filtered. If you want a plant that looks clean, sophisticated, and contemporary while adding more living greenery to your home, Dracaena is an excellent option. Number 7. The Parlor palm is a compact tropical plant that has been popular indoors for generations. Unlike huge palm species, this one can remain relatively manageable, making it suitable for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and smaller living spaces. Its delicate green fronds give rooms a soft, peaceful appearance, while the plant naturally participates in photosynthesis and releases moisture through transpiration. Parlor palms usually prefer bright, indirect light, but can adapt to lower light indoor conditions better than many tropical plants. Water carefully and avoid allowing the soil to remain constantly soaked. This palm grows slowly, which can actually be an advantage if you don't want a plant that quickly outgrows its location. Place it on a plant stand or in a decorative pot to give it more visual height. Its gentle appearance makes it particularly attractive for relaxing spaces. If you want a low-key tropical plant that adds greenery without dominating the room, the parlor palm is a beautiful choice. Number 8. Spiderwort brings something different to your indoor plant collection because its foliage can feature striking green, purple, or striped patterns depending on the variety. Its fast-growing trailing stems make it excellent for hanging baskets, shelves, or elevated planters. Because it grows vigorously under suitable conditions, it can quickly create a fuller display of greenery. Spiderwort performs photosynthesis and participates naturally in indoor gas exchange, just like other green plants. Give it bright, indirect light to maintain strong coloration and compact growth. Water when the upper layer of soil starts drying, while ensuring excess water can drain away. If the stems become too long or sparse, trimming them encourages a bushier appearance. Spiderwort is also a fun plant for beginners because it can respond quickly to good growing conditions. If you want an indoor plant that combines colorful foliage, rapid growth, and a cascading shape, this one deserves attention. It can turn an ordinary shelf into a vibrant green display. Number 9. African violet may be small, but it can make a surprisingly beautiful addition to an indoor plant collection. Its compact size makes it perfect for desks, shelves, windowsills, and small apartments where large plants simply won't fit. With proper care, African violets can produce colorful flowers repeatedly, adding a cheerful burst of color to your indoor environment. Their leaves participate in photosynthesis and natural gas exchange, while the plant contributes to the overall greenery of your space. African violets prefer bright, indirect light and should generally be watered carefully to avoid keeping their soil excessively wet. Avoid harsh direct sunlight because it can damage the leaves. A bright east or north-facing window can often provide suitable conditions. Although it doesn't have the dramatic size of a palm or rubber plant, its combination of flowers and compact foliage makes it special. If you want your air-friendly plant collection to include something colorful rather than entirely green, African violet is a beautiful choice. Number 10. Chinese Evergreen is a gorgeous foliage plant that can bring a lush, tropical feeling into rooms without demanding constant attention. Its broad leaves often feature attractive patterns of green, silver, cream, or other shades, depending on the variety. The dense foliage gives the plant a full appearance and allows it to contribute to the normal photosynthesis and gas exchange that green plants perform. Chinese Evergreen generally prefers moderate to bright indirect light, although many varieties can tolerate lower indoor light. Allow the soil to dry somewhat between waterings and always provide good drainage. This makes it a practical option for bedrooms, offices, living rooms, and other indoor spaces. Its biggest attraction may be the combination of beauty and adaptability. Instead of relying on flowers, Chinese Evergreen creates its visual impact through stunning foliage. If you want a plant that looks tropical, elegant, and easy to incorporate into your home design, this is a strong final choice for our list. And there you have it. To 10 houseplants that can help create a greener, fresher feeling indoor environment naturally. From the tropical beauty of the Areca Palm to the colorful foliage of Chinese Evergreen, each plant brings something unique to your home. Remember, houseplants are not a replacement for proper ventilation, filtration, or other measures when indoor air quality is a serious concern. But they can be a beautiful way to bring more living greenery into your everyday surroundings. Which one would you choose for your home? The Boston fern, rubber plant, bamboo palm, or something else? Tell us your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to naturallife_SR7, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant tips, gardening ideas, and natural home inspiration. And don't forget, sometimes the simplest way to make a room feel alive is to bring a little more nature inside.